Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. So just wanted to do a quick video here on maybe a little Christmas gift idea for y'all, or perhaps you just need a good work light for in the barn or in the garage. So for a couple years now I've been using these and they work pretty decent. About 700 lumens or so. They have a magnet on the bottom. The only thing I find with them is that a lot of times if it's not a magnetic surface and I just want to kind of put it there as a light, a lot of times they do have a tendency to tip over if there's any vibration or anything like that going on. These have worked pretty good, and actually I'm using them to light my YouTube video right now. So I use them to light my videos and just in the workshop and all that. And, I recommend them. They work fine. No huge issues at all. But, I'm kind of looking for something maybe a little bit extra. And ran into this on my own on Amazon. This was not provided for me. I've been buying these on my own. It's the company Adiding. And these work lights, the one thing that I kind of like with them is they have kind of this bendable, adjustable head, which is a little more adjustable than the other ones. And then the other thing too is on the bottom, not only is there a magnet, but you also have a hook as well. And so if you want to hang it on something and all that. So in addition, even without the magnet, the base here, it's a little bit sturdier. And so it sits a little bit better. And then you've got 3 different lighting modes. So you've got the low mode, and then you've got the higher mode, which is like, I think it's 1,000 lumens. The other light I've been using is 700. So I'll be using this a bit more in my YouTube videos whenever I'm doing my tabletop. And then you also have a little flashlight here on the end, which works pretty well. I'll take you outside in just a sec to kind of show you how good they are out in the dark. But anyways, been using these, and I've just started buying, more of them to put around the workshop. So let's go ahead and take this outside and see how it looks out in the dark. Okay, folks, so here we are out in the dark, as you can see. Can you see anything? All right, so here we go. This is the low setting right here, looking down at the pavement. And then the higher setting. So I would say pretty good. Like if you were working on a car or you needed to change a tire or something like that. More than adequate light. It kind of shines a fair bit there. Let me open up kind of the zoom there a little bit. Yeah, pretty good. Now it's more of a close-up light. It's not a light kind of more for distance, but there again, it's kind of a workshop light. So, and then let's see how the flashlight is. Flashlight, pretty decent. You can find your way around with it. It lights up a fair distance there. So, yeah, I'd say for a workshop light, works pretty good. I'm very happy with these. I'm going to continue to buy a couple more. And I wanted just to pass it on to you guys. So if it was something that you were interested in, check out the link below. Any sales through there just kicks back a tiny commission to the channel, and any additional support that we get just goes right back into the channel. So I appreciate those to do that, and hope you all enjoyed this fun little video, just a short little one. And stay tuned, because we have tons and tons of content coming up here throughout the winter. And we're going to have a lot of fun with all sorts of stuff we got. You wouldn't even believe it. So stay tuned, folks. We'll see you next time.